I have to come. Welcome to Bahrain. I'm currently at the Bahrain International Airport with Anthony Sylvester, the senior writer director of company Kiat. Anthony, if you have a few minutes, can I take your interview, please?
Yeah, sure, sure. Okay. But not long interview. I'm just tired from all the way coming to the airport all the way. So
Yeah, it will be
tired.
very short. It will be very
Short.
short. Yeah. Okay. My first question: can you tell me your feeling of coming back to Bahrain after almost 3 years? Your last show in Bahrain, Pedro Portuguese, was a fantastic show, and now we are eagerly awaiting for your new show. Can you tell us something about your new show?
Yeah, it was since a long break now. I had a Pedro Portuguese theatre in Bahrain. And it's been a pretty long time now since the virus. I didn't do my show. And I'm just come to promote my show of new show, Ailo, Denvchar and KOUVLO SONVSAR. So they intend to get in Bahrain, so I just want to promote that show. And it's been a long time, and it's been a long journey for me to Bahrain.
How did you think of becoming a actor? Sorry, a writer director?
Yeah, my thoughts of becoming a writer director is like from the very young I was doing theatre, and then my ambition was to become a director and show good theatre. So from the very young I was in this theatre line. And today I'm at the top, not at the most top, but medium. You can see.
You have worked with many legendary actors. Could you tell us something about some of them?
Yeah, I've worked with a lot of directors before, like Prem Kumar, N. Boyle, Chasin Vaz, and Tony Martins. A lot of directors whom I worked with, and a lot of actors, the legendary actors, have acted for me in the arts. So I'm very proud of them to be with them for a long time, and that's it.
And how do you feel that when you were working with them previously and now, like the difference?
It's not much difference. The actors were very cooperative that time. And even now actors are cooperative. But certain, the modern world it is now, though we cannot compare with that and this now. So it goes on. Life goes on.
For so many years, you were in the theatre line, directing many theatres. Could you tell us some of your famous theatres?
Yeah, it's been, I'm very thankful to this theatre fraternity. And it's been a long journey to me in this theatre line. I've been, my famous theatres are like, say, my first theatre which I wrote was Municipal Ailo. That was my first theatre with the Bruce artist. And there was another theatre, Alida, which was written by my village brother, G.C. Gomes, and I directed the theatre with the help of Sia Parts. And many theatres are there which Viradar Bormas over the century show, Duknasana Sukna over the century show. I mean, there are a lot of shows which I've done. And yeah, they are great, and I've done most of the shows very good.
There were two brothers who've been acting with you for a very long time. We used to see them in all their, in all your theatres, but now we don't get to see them. Could you tell us about them?
The two brothers, you mean Alisson and Adam? Yeah, okay. So at that time they were acting, they were very cooperative brothers. They were very helpful, very good singer, very good acting. But the time changes now, and everyone they have become big now, very handsome and big, and they are working now, so they don't get time to work in my theatre. Even if I call them, sometimes they are busy. That time they were schooling, so it was convenient for them to work. So now they have become big, and everybody is, this need to think of the future. So it goes on like that.
How do you feel coming back to Bahrain? You must have had like such old memories over here.
Yeah, I was working in Bahrain and just 10 years I worked here before. And I was with, my friend was the Avis Pereira, he was working with me. And we were working in the Sheraton Hotel. And we did a lot of, we have a lot of old memories here, like we used to write theaters, like songs, compose songs, and we were under the banner of Angel's Productions. Then naturally, you know, when time goes, I went to Goa, I started my shows continuously, and he went to master, he was composing songs. And now he's in Goa composing songs on the YouTube. So where we can see on the YouTube now. In the theatre.
My last question to you. You must have had some few bad experiences during your shows. Do you want to share something?
Experience means I would like to share a fresh one. I had a lot of memories of my before shows, which I had a lot of experience. But I would like to share one small experience which I had last time when I came to BAHRAIN with the Peter Portuguese. We had Peter Portuguese here, and then they had a show in Margao. So we had to reach the next day to Margao. So the ticket was booked, everything was booked, and 3:30 was the show in Margao. But the flight in Bombay was delayed for nearly an hour, and we were till 2 o'clock at Bombay airport, and we didn't know how we could reach to Margao. So it was, you know, very confusing, and people were at the gate. The ticket was selling tickets. He told me, Anthony, what you are doing? Are you coming for the show? No, because it's been going to be all, you know, I don't know what to tell you. So what I did is I prayed to Saint Anthony and said, hope we reach in time. By the way, the flight left at 2:50, and by 2:45 we were at the airport. So it was almost 10 to 3 at the Goa airport. And I don't know how we managed to reach at Margao in the hall directly from BAHRAIN, and we performed the show. And well, it was like at the time the show started, it was good. Actually, I thank God. That was a very experience I had.
Thank you so much for your time, Anthony. We really hope that your new show will be a hit. And we hope you have a wonderful stay here as well.
Thank you very much. I'm looking forward for my new show. Thank you. Thank you.